Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing a quick one on this 360-degree flay. As you can see, we have this two-step and the single step on. This particular one here is the single step on. It's looking so beautiful. And this one as well is the double step on. So please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and please try and watch the video to the end so that you can catch up on what we are doing. So thank you and remain blessed, and see you as we continue this tutorial.
Hello guys, welcome back. So I went ahead to fold this fabric into four. So it's folded into four. So the full length of this dress of this person, the person want the full length of this dress should be 38. So for that 38 is just the down part you are going to be cutting. The half length of this person is 15. The half length of this person is 15. So if you minus 38 minus 15, we'll be left with 23 inches for the down part. So now we are going to be taking the circumference of this dress. Remember, I folded it into four. See it here. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I folded it into four. This is the part that is being folded, that is not uncut. So now we are going to be getting the radius, that is the circle, that is the waist of this person. The waist of this person is 35. But I'll go ahead and add 2 inches for the zipper allowance. Then the zipper allowance, that one that is 2 inches, making it 37. So we are going to be dividing 37 by 6.28. That is the standard measurement of dividing of a radius of a circle. So we are going to be dividing by 6.28. It will be giving us 5.89. To be giving us 5.89. So if you are going to divide, after dividing this part will be giving us 5.89. So to be the silver part, because I want this dress to have a little pleat. So I'll just go ahead and take it to be 6. So at the end I'm going to be pleating the excess on the waist area of this dress. To have our working space, sorry, the camera cannot reach at the down part of it. To have our working space, remember the remaining part of this is 23. So 23 plus 6 should be giving us 23 plus 6 should be giving us 29. So to know the part you have to fold, you just come on and check if you have up to 29. Yes, I have up to that, so I'm working with that. So I'll go ahead and take my chalk. Sorry. So we'll start marking it right now, as you can see. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. You can see this edge. So I'll put this tape like this. I'll start taking the radius of this skirt from here. I'll go ahead and do it. Mark the 6 inches I want to take. I'll also do the same here. Just giving it a dotted line. I'll connect all of them together. Also do the same here. So I'll go ahead and mark it all round. See how I'm cutting it. So I'll go ahead and join all the dots I made. So now I'll be taking minus 15. So I'll be doing minus 15 here to get the remaining part. So minus 15 here is giving us 37. So we're working with that. We'll do the same. So we're just working with 37 all through round. As you can see, just keep going round till you reach the end. Can you guys see my chalk? Sorry. Can you guys see this beautiful chalk on it? Just keep marking. So I'm done marking. Confirm something. Let me just check here. So now we'll go ahead and connect all these dots. So as you can see, I'm done connecting it. Now for us to have that effect of the that excess, that is the structure at the down, I'll go ahead and place my tape at this part here. Just look at what I'm doing. I don't, is my camera reaching down there? So I'm going to be shifting this camera so you can see what I'm doing. Yes, like this. I hope you can see it. From here to here is 28. That is 28. So I'll be determining how many inch I'm going to be adding. That is how many SS I'm going to be adding. So you just do it like this so that it will be in a triangular form. So I'll be determining how many SS I'm going to. You can add 6, you can add extra 5, you can even add extra 10 depending on how long you want it to be. But for the case of this one, I'll just be adding something like between 6, 7. That is from this 28, I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It seems like it's okay to me, but I'll just add it extra 1. That is making it 7. So now, this point, I'll go ahead and connect here to here. You can see I'll just draw a straight line. If I'll do a free hand here. This part now. To now be in the form of a block, I also connect it here. I hope you can see this part. So I'm really checking it if you guys can really see what I'm doing. So I'll go ahead because this one was here. So I'll just go ahead and do it like this. You can use ruler and do that. But for me, I just use my free hand. As you can see now, this is how it is. Just connect it straight. So we'll go ahead and cut it. Go ahead and cut it. So now go ahead. I'll first can cut out this waist. I'm done with that waist. So now, as you can see, let me shift it a little. So I'll go ahead and cut like this. I may not even cut this part. Let me just trim out a little. I'll be taking it straight. I'll not be cutting the circle that I give. I'll just be going down straight. So it's a kind of 4 corner dress. So I'll just go ahead and notch these 2 center because I'm going to be opening one. So I'll be opening one for the zipper at the back. So I'll just go ahead and notch them like this. So I'm going to be opening this one before I'll cut the second flare because this is a form of 2-step. So as you can see it's already forming the effect already. See it here. You can see this mouth is looking sharp. Don't worry, when I'm done making the dress, I'm going to be showing people the manicure. So you're going to be seeing it there. I'll be putting it on the dummy. You've seen how beautiful it comes out. You're seeing it. So I'm going to be using this one now to cut for the second piece. As you can see, I'll be using this one to cut for the second piece. See? See this part? It's looking sharpy already. No, it wasn't that too much. See it here? I hope you guys can see. Then if you drop it like this, it'll be looking like something like triangle. I don't know if I should call it triangle or rectangle. I don't know, Sha. So I'm done placing the first part on the second one. We are just going to be cutting out the same thing. So we're just going to be cutting out the same thing for the both sides. So as you can see, I'll just go ahead and cut it. I've placed the first one and the second one. So I'll just go ahead and cut the same thing. So now I'll be shifting it so I can trim out the excess at the side. We are done. I'll still go ahead to notch the center of this one so that it will help me in the placing. So this is all for this cutting. So you just go ahead and open it. Don't worry, when I'm done making this dress, when I'm done joining the upper part with the down part, I'll show you guys how I did it. So you'll just be placing the two middle separately like so. You make sure that these two middle are not on the same side. Just place it